This last exercise of the cervical whiplash regimen is called a floor slide. You're going to sit up in a hook-lying position or on your back with your knees bent. And what you're going to do is you're just going to let your arms kind of drop to your side. You should feel a nice stretch in the pectoral muscles or those muscles in the front of the chest. From there, you're just going to gently press your elbows into the ground. That's going to get a muscle on the backside called the lower trap activated. Now we're just going to slowly slide your arms up, kind of keeping those elbows pressed into the floor. So the key component to this one is we're just slowly sliding those arms up with the elbows actively getting pushed into the floor. Okay. There's three. A good set and rep scheme here is about 8 to 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day. If you're going through a cervical whiplash injury and you work at a computer, this is one of my absolute favorite at the end of one of those long days where you're sitting at a desk. It just kind of opens you up the other way. Again, we're stretching out those pectoral muscles, getting that lower trap activated, turned on. It's just going to help kind of release that cervical whiplash type injury, get the upper trap just to relax a little bit. Let's go through one more of these here. At home, you're going through 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 10 repetitions.